The biggest hits of the moment, only in one place, right here, Miami Underground Radio. It's the global top 5 Spotify countdown with no commercials. Starts now. The moment we were waiting for is here, the Spotify countdown. I'm Raf, your guide through this journey. Coming in number 5, Selena Gomez, Wolves.
In your eyes, there's a heavy blue. Want to love and want to lose.
Looking for the best deal to get a Chevy? You got it. Come to Grieco year-end wrap-up with employee pricing to the public. That's right, employing prices to the public, where you can save up to $12,000 on Silverados, Tahoes, Malibus, Corvettes, and more. Miami Underground, the hottest summer spot. Hi everyone, my name is Rafael and this is the Quick Top 3 only here in Miami Underground Radio. Today we're gonna be talking about the Golden Globes, or what may have passed unnoticed by most people, so get ready for the top 3 most awkward moments at the Globes. Number 3, Mariah Carey. While giving an interview for Our Rocker during the red carpet, when the interview started, she made a ninja switch with Rocker so they could portray her right side. That's famous known as her good side. I'm with you, Mariah. If I'm not looking good, I'm not talking. This is the traffic report for WMMS 95.7. I'm Rafael Viaro. There is a minor traffic congestion on I-595 West Broward that extends from beyond Exit 2 on Flamingo Road to Exit 0 on 75 South. The Coffee Music Festival on January 13 at Museum Park. You will be able to taste all your favorite drinks while watching the top pop music artist of the moment performing live, Taylor Swift.
Ooh, look what you made me do. Look what you
J Balvin. And the newest sensation, Dua Lipa. Grunt's Furniture. Grunt has flat screens, HTVs, and plasma screens. You can beat the price at Grunt's. At Grunt's, price reductions are below internet. Manufacturers don't want Grunts to quote prices because they are so low.